Hi, this is Adrienne from the Campaign Help Desk team. This mini screencast provides an orientation to the National Nursing Home Quality Improvement Campaign's Dementia Care and Psychotropic Medication Tracking Tool. First, let's enable the workbook and save it. We're starting with a tracking tool that has been downloaded from the website and opened. Notice the gold bar at the top of the tool. Excel requires you to click the Enable button before you can explore the tool. Next, if you haven't already, please explicitly save your workbook to a place where you can find it easily. Keep in mind that you may want multiple staff members to be able to access the workbook, and if possible, choose to save it in a shared location. I'm going to save mine now to a folder I've already created called Dementia Care and Psychotropic Medication Tracking. Before I click Save, I'm going to remember that the workbook will last for 12 months, and I'll be able to choose the start month. So I'm going to put 2019 at the beginning of my file name, since that's the year I'm starting. Even though I may be starting in April, it will help me tell it apart from the tool I start in 2020. Now let's take a look at what's on this welcome page. Notice the header gives us a prompt of how to get started entering data. Once we start entering data, it will show us the date range of the workbook. The blue text is a brief description of the workbook. I'd like to call your attention to this red text. The workbook will contain PHI and should be protected in the same way as any other medical record. Please do not transmit or email the workbook unless it has been encrypted or de-identified. Should you need to email the workbook, we've included an automatic de-identification function. Just click this button. To the right, we have the 4 buttons you'll be using the most. My Residence opens user forms for data entry and allows you to review detailed information for any individual you've included. Reports contains charts summarizing information about your residents' diagnoses, medications, and a variety of other items to help identify patterns and explore opportunities for improvement. The Monthly Outcomes button will open a printable page with calculated outcomes for a set of measures you may use for tracking your efforts. You'll click the Finalize button when your data are complete through the month of interest. Thank you for listening. Please continue to the next screencast, starting data entry.